Cholesterol. What you need to know about the heroes and villains in the body. Cholesterol is a type of lipid that plays an important role in the structure of cell membranes and many biochemical processes in the body. It is naturally produced by the body in the liver and can also be absorbed from food. However, cholesterol does not exist freely in the blood, but must be attached to proteins, forming lipoproteins for transportation. The two main types are low-density lipoprotein LDL, often called bad cholesterol, and high-density lipoprotein HDL, known as good cholesterol. During digestion, fats from food are broken down by enzymes and bile from the liver. Cholesterol from food is absorbed in the small intestine and then attached to lipoproteins to circulate in the blood. LDL carries cholesterol to cells, but if too much is present, it can accumulate in the artery walls, leading to atherosclerosis, the main cause of cardiovascular disease. In contrast, HDL helps remove excess cholesterol and transport it back to the liver for recycling or elimination. In 1968, when the American Heart Association recommended limiting egg consumption, they based their recommendations on the link between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol levels. However, later research has shown that the effect of dietary cholesterol on blood cholesterol is not so simple. Diet, lifestyle, genetics, and other factors also play a role. Some people are very poor at absorbing cholesterol from food, while others are more sensitive. Furthermore, eggs not only contain cholesterol, but are also rich in nutrients such as high-quality protein, choline important for the brain and nerves, and many vitamins and minerals. This has led to a reassessment of the role of eggs in the modern diet. Current research suggests that moderate egg consumption does not increase the risk of cardiovascular disease in most people, except those with specific medical conditions such as type 2 diabetes or dyslipidemia. The story of cholesterol and eggs is therefore a clear illustration of how nutrition is a complex area that needs to be understood in a scientific and individualized context. Rather than applying rigid rules to everyone, digestion and the role of cholesterol. When we eat a meal, the body begins the process of digesting fats by emulsifying them into lipid droplets. These lipid droplets are then absorbed in the small intestine, where they travel to various tissues, including the liver. In the liver, specialized cells reassemble these lipid droplets into lipid protein packages called lipoproteins. Lipoproteins are designed to transport lipids through the blood efficiently. Depending on the ratio of protein and fat they contain, lipoproteins are divided into different types with distinct densities, of which VLDL very low-density lipoprotein and LDL low-density lipoprotein play an important role in cardiovascular health. VLDL contains mainly fats, including triglycerides and cholesterol. They deliver lipids to muscles and fat cells for energy or storage. LDL. When VLDL has completed its job, it is converted into LDL. LDL is often called bad cholesterol because it tends to accumulate on artery walls, causing inflammation and attracting immune cells such as macrophages. This process can lead to narrowing of the arteries, impeding blood flow and increasing the risk of blood clots. In contrast to LDL, HDL high-density lipoprotein is considered good cholesterol because it helps collect excess LDL and transport it back to the liver for excretion. In addition, HDL also has anti-inflammatory effects, protecting blood vessel walls from damage. Genetics and lifestyle factors that affect cholesterol. Cholesterol is an essential component of the body, playing an important role in building cell membranes, producing hormones, and aiding digestion. However, when there is an imbalance between the types of lipoproteins, LDL low-density lipoprotein, often called bad cholesterol, and HDL high-density lipoprotein, often called good cholesterol, it can cause serious health problems, especially heart disease and atherosclerosis. Some people are at higher risk of high cholesterol due to genetic factors. In these cases, gene variations can affect the function of the LDL receptor, the protein that helps remove LDL from the blood. When the LDL receptor does not work properly, LDL is not removed in time, leading to excess LDL in the blood. This is the main cause of familial hypercholesterolemia, a genetic condition that puts people at risk for heart disease at an early age. While genetics play a role, lifestyle is also a major factor in cholesterol levels. A diet high in saturated fat, cholesterol from animal foods, or low in fiber can increase LDL levels. In addition, a sedentary lifestyle, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption can also lower HDL and increase the risk of disease. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and weight control, is key to reducing the risk of cholesterol imbalance and related complications. In some cases, a combination of lifestyle changes and prescribed medication can effectively control high cholesterol. Food and cholesterol. For years, eggs, especially egg yolks, have been labeled heart killers because of their high cholesterol content. But in fact, most of the cholesterol in our blood comes not directly from food, but from the fats we consume. Saturated fats and trans fats, commonly found in animal products, palm oil, and coconut oil, prompt the liver to produce more VLDL and LDL and LDL. Unsaturated fats, found in fish, nuts, and seeds, have anti-inflammatory properties and help control LDL. Consuming healthy fats and high-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can therefore help lower LDL and improve heart health. Physical activity. Endurance training and aerobic exercise have been shown to lower LDL and raise HDL. This may involve the body using more blood lipids for energy, while also boosting the activity of enzymes that produce HDL. Conversely, bad habits like smoking increase LDL by releasing free radicals that damage blood vessel walls. Advances in cholesterol treatment. When lifestyle isn't enough to control cholesterol levels, especially when genetics dominate, modern medicine has developed a number of effective therapies. Statins are one of the most common drugs, which work by blocking the enzyme the liver needs to produce LDL. Other drugs can boost the enzyme that breaks down triglycerides or improve the function of the LDL receptor. So are eggs the bad guys? After decades of research, many experts have concluded that the cholesterol content of egg yolks is not as worrisome as once thought. Egg yolks contain small amounts of saturated fat, but also provide unsaturated fat and other important nutrients. Eating an egg a day is considered safe and nutritious, especially when combined with a diet rich in fiber and healthy fats. The importance of a holistic view. When it comes to cholesterol, it's impossible to focus on just one factor, like eggs or a particular food. Cholesterol health requires a comprehensive approach that includes diet, lifestyle, and, if necessary, medical intervention. Remember, your body is a complex system where everything needs to be in balance to function properly. So instead of worrying about just one egg, focus on the whole picture of your health.